that's really interesting about the health and the integrated system, and we've heard about the funding research too, and about the journey of Timor-Leste. But maybe we should go next at the event mechanism. So for the first, okay, at the room chat, Dr. Iswan Saleh can with at this technical meeting any longer. Maybe we could explain through online, maybe through Mr. Stefan. Thank you for participate and join at this technical meeting, and see you on Sunday to Miss Dr. Iswan. Maybe Mr. Stefan want to say something?
No, you can continue your explanation about the rundown. Miss Annabella? Hello?
Yes.
You still join with us?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. I hope you still join with us to know about the rundown.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's continue. So before I talk about the rundown, we've been informed the topic of this primary is strategy for hospitals and primary care services in the implementation of electronic implementation in Indonesia. So about this rundown, actually we have two sessions for our 5 speakers, and it's divided to 2 sessions, but maybe we could read at the screen. It will be start at 7 o'clock until 7:30 as registration and coffee break, 7:30 until 7:40 welcoming dance traditional, 7:40 until 7:45 opening from MC, and 7:45 until 7:55 there are Indonesian National Anthem, Hymne Poltekkes Kemenkes Semarang, Mars Poltekkes Kemenkes Semarang, and it will be start also at 7:55 and 8 o'clock with committee chair's report, 8 o'clock until 8:10, remark from Chairperson of Medical Record and Health Information Management Department from Mrs. Siti Masroskah, SSI Yemkes, and 8:10 until 8:20, remark and opening seminar from Director of the Health Polytechnic of the University of Semarang from Mr. Jeffrey Ardianto MAPPSC, and it will be next 8:20 until 8:30, remark from Health Professional Development of the Bebet Permiki, Mr. Teddy Hidayat, and then it will be next with Doa, and start at 8:35 until 8:45, reading the CV of the moderator, 8:45 until 8:50, it will be reading rules of conduct from moderator, and from the speaker itself, it will be start from 8:50 until 9:10 for reading the CV of the speaker. And also, this is the main time that we need to inform for the speaker. For the first, at 9:10 until 9:45, it will be start with our first speaker. She is Miss Aminah Tariq, with the topic challenge, obstacles, and solution to the problems of implementing electronic medical record in Australia, and it will be continued directly with Dr. Moh Iswan Moh Saleh at 9:45 until 10:20, and it will be next with panel discussion. So if I could explain, at the first I informed that it's divided into 2 sessions. So at the first session it will be 2 speakers include. There are Miss Aminah Tariq and Dr. Moh Iswan Saleh, and the panel discussion will be open after the second speaker finish the material to present. So at this occasion, Miss Aminah Tariq should be wait for a while, and then we'll open panel discussion with both of two speakers. Next. Maybe it is the main important too, because at this technical meeting, Miss Annabella Marcus are joined with us, and maybe Miss Annabella could ask anything after this, and it will be start 10:40 until 11:20 for Miss Annabella Marcus, MD SKM, with the topic best practice strategies for preparing health information management professionals for the challenge and barriers implementing electronic medical records. And just for your information, Miss, so we give the time for you with the allocation time at the second session, as you can see, of over 40 minutes. And then it will be next with the next speaker from Indonesia, Mr. Anis Fuad and Sugiharto. But if you could see, we have a break time over 30 minutes. So the discussion panel, it will be start after the fourth and fifth speakers finish the material. So maybe you could wait for a while, Miss. After that, at the discussion panel for session 2, discussion 2 will be start include of 3 speakers, this third, fourth, and 5 speakers. Next. And will be start at 13 until 35 and 35, and it's allocate time 30 minutes. So if we could inform, the time for each speaker is 10 minutes. So the discussion panel for you, Miss Annabella, is our 10 minutes for you giving an answer from the question from the audience, and for the material itself is 40 minutes. And it will be next with certificate and placard submission, but the placard submission and age is conduct offline. So for the next agenda, proposal, master competition, announcement, and closing, it will be held offline. So if you don't have any time after this conference, maybe we allow you to leave the conference after panel discussion at the time you could see at the screen. So let me inform the moderators at this seminar that will be with us, especially with the speakers, with Ms. Annabella Marcus. She is Retnawati SKM KM. She is a lecturer of medical record and health information di University of Health Semarang. Next. And this is the moderator seminar for Indonesia. So the moderator for Ms. Amina and Dr. Iswan is Ms. Ratnawati, and the moderator for the session 2, Ms. Annabella Marcus, Dr. Anis Fuad, and Mr. Sugiharto is Angelia Kita Maharisi, that will be with Ms. Annabella. She is professional medical record and health information at RSUD Merah Putih Kabupaten Magelang. So before we start the discussion session, I'll inform that it's okay, Miss, if you feeling well to speak or given the material Indonesia with English, or if you more proper using Indonesia, it's allowed because of maybe it's affect and you're comfortable and the information could be accepted easily by the audience if you use Indonesia maybe, or it's the choice will back to you. And if you wanna invite another from Timor Leste, we also allowed and we facilitate a certificate. And as I've been informed before, that if you have any activity after the panel discussion, after giving material, and wait for the next speaker, and then will be next at the panel discussion. After the panel discussion, you could leave Zoom if you have any needs. And maybe before I read from the curriculum vitae from the speaker, maybe I need to inform that we have time limitation. I'm sorry to say, yes, but at this technical meeting, I want to ask is that fine for you, and are you willing to maybe adjust at the time that we've informed? And it's fine if we can't read CV at the whole CV, just the part of it.
Sorry, Selma, I beg your pardon. You mean that the curriculum vitae from Mrs. Annabella? You can share the curriculum vitae from Miss Annabella, Mrs. Annabella. Mrs. Annabella, sorry. I wanna ask to you.
Sorry?
Annabella, okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm online.
May I call you Miss or Mrs.? Okay. Okay, this is your CV.
Yes.
Do you agree with this CV or ada yang kurang dari sini?
Yeah, I think it's
Miss Annabella?
okay. It's okay.
Sorry, I can hear your voice. You can
Oh yeah.
unmute your speaker.
It's okay. It's enough.
Okay, enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is
Oh.
enough.
Enough, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't matter if the commuter right Unital University. You are a lecturer in Unital
Yeah,
University now.
Unital or ICS University, and then Unital University also. Some university, but it's regularly in the ICS and then Unital.
Okay. So as we know that you are the speaker in the second session with
okay.
Anis Fuad from Gajah Mada University, and then Mr. Sugiharto from Karyadi Hospital in Semarang.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't matter
Yeah.
about the time.
Yeah. Because on Sunday is I'm free, and then enough. The time is enough.
I think on Sunday maybe you go to church.
Because we have a difference 2 hours, right? And then it's enough. Maybe in the morning, the opening ceremony, if I'm not follow, but the after the presentation, I have the time.
Okay, okay.
So maybe ceremony I'm on cam maybe late.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about the material?
About the material tomorrow, I can send to email the PPT
Okay.
or
Okay.
the
Yeah, PowerPoint. You can.
yeah
Yeah.
or after
Okay. You
this
can send. Okay. You can send the material to me by email or to Mrs. Siti Masroha. But I think you can send to my email, and then I
okay
continue to the committee.
okay okay
Yeah.
I will okay.
Oke, Shelma, Pak Stefan pikir tidak ada yang bermasalah dengan Anabella. Oke, how about the internet connection now?
For us about the iklim, right? If the iklim it's I think but here I'm used also Telkomsel operator, maybe can help.
Okay. Yeah.
Yesterday I have a communication with Mr. Yoyo. Mr. Yoyo from
Mr.
Permiki.
Yoyo,
Yeah, because
Mr. Yoyo from Yogyakarta.
yeah, Yogyakarta. He said that I'm second speaker, but I have another schedule, and then they changed me Mr. Sugiarto. I don't. Oh, yeah, it's good.
Okay. Oh, do you know Mr. Sugiharto also?
Yes, I know. I knew him because
Okay. Yeah.
because last year we have to make MOU also for the medical record profession technical meeting, but we have a new structural or new government, and then still awaiting the schedule how to make the MOU with Permiki Java Center.
Permiki, ya. Yeah. Oh, okay. Central Java, ya.
Yeah.
Central Java.
Yeah,
Permiki
Central- yeah.
Center of Java. Central Java. Okay. Sorry. Shelma, Pak Sevan pikir tidak ada masalah, sesuatu yang a big problem from Anabella. Ada sesuatu yang ditanyakan?
Kita mau didiskusikan.
Ada satu Bapak.
Oke, silakan.
To Mrs. Annabella.
Ya, siap.
There are any helps that you wanna do di komite? Adakah bantuan yang hendak diminta kepada kami, Miss Annabella, terkait share screen PowerPoint barangkali, atau dari Miss Annabella yang hendak share screen sendiri ketika di hari H?
Kalau memang besok saya sempat kirim PPT-nya, ya mungkin dari sana, atau nanti saya informasikan. Besok saya informasikan ya, kalau yang enaknya gimana.
Oke. Ya, it's nice to talk
Bu
with you.
Annabella, mungkin karena Ibu saat ini sedang pendidikan di Brawijaya, mungkin Ibu punya kesempatan untuk hadir langsung, itu akan lebih baik Ibu.
Karena ini lagi hari Selasa minggu depan mau SHP jadi ya mungkin belum belum bisa.
Yeah, maybe next time if you visit in Semarang, you can come to Poltekkes Semarang.
Yeah. Maybe
Maybe our secretary, our department secretary,
Yeah,
Bu Sri
yeah.
Lestari, traktir Anabella.
okay, thank you.
Makan siang, have lunch together
Yeah.
with us.
Mungkin tahun depan mungkin saya bisa antar anak ada staff, ada
lain kesempatan kami berharap Ibu Anabella bersedia untuk hadir ke tempat kami, entah itu sebagai dosen tamu ataupun
Ya.
narasumber.
siap.
Saya ucapkan terima kasih sekali Bu Anabella sudah bersedia membantu kami untuk menjadi narasumber, dan untuk kali ini mohon maaf karena memang jaringan komunikasinya agak sedikit tersendat. Mungkin kalau di tempat Ibu bagaimana?
Sama.
Agak tersendat juga Ibu ya.
Sama Bu Siti, di sini
Dan
juga
mudah-mudahan
tergantung
Ibu bisa jauh lebih baik.
tergantung cuacanya, iklimnya, karena
Masih di mute Ibu.
Oh, ya.
Mikrofonnya.
oh betul. Maaf, ini juga tergantung iklimnya. Kalau misalkan kadang sore hari, tapi ya ada 3 operator kita bisa buat, karena saya juga sudah terbiasa dengan virtual, karena kita ada program virtual untuk population based cancer registry Timor Leste. Jadi dari WHO Siaro Mumbai India, epidemiologik mereka yang bantu handle. Jadi kita memang sudah terbiasa dengan Zoom, jadi virtual, sehingga ya ada kendala pun cuma beberapa menit lah kita bisa atasi. Mudah-mudahan nanti hari Minggunya biar tidak terganggu, semuanya baik-baik saja.
Amin.
Okay.
Dan-
that's great.
Dan untuk membicarakan, Bu Siti, sekaligus kita share di sini ya, untuk membicarakan mengenai MOU-nya, nanti coba saya bicarakan dulu. Oke, bagian di sini kita sebut namanya Kabinet Penelitian dan Pengembangan Staf. Hospital Nasional Guido Valadares untuk
Training, education, development.
the development for the staff, all of staff, and then I have a planning, and then maybe next year some people to continue to medical record, because kesulitan bagi kami adalah mereka masih kontrak, sehingga saya belum bisa mengatakan bahwa iya atau tidak, karena peraturan di sini regulasikan untuk MOU-nya itu stafnya itu harus sudah menjadi pegawai tetap dan sudah bekerja selama 2 tahun. Untuk itu, untuk mereka ini kalau di Timor Leste kan semuanya gratis ya, semuanya gratis. Sehingga kalau kita tawar ke staf yang di sini yang masih kontrak, kadang mereka kesulitan juga, karena di Timor Leste ada subsidi untuk semuanya, untuk biaya pendidikan itu untuk S1-nya dibayar, D3 S1-nya dibayar, tetapi ditanggung oleh pemerintah, sehingga kalau mereka yang bayar dari pocket mereka sendiri kadang sulit untuk jawab. Pengalaman saya saat ini kan kita lagi bekerja sama dengan yayasan Poltekkon. Jadi kebetulan yang mungkin sebentar lagi ada 3 orang staf yang kuliah di sana, dan nanti mereka praktek mungkin ke sana. Untuk itu kita berusaha untuk kedepannya seperti apa. Tetapi kalau misalkan di sana misalkan di Politeknik itu Semarang itu sudah ada S1-nya,